We are proud to introduce the Theta 2 High Bay Luminaire product family. Theta 2 is an expansion of the original Theta. It now offers packages from 19,000 to 31,000 lumens. Applications for this product include gymnasiums, manufacturing facilities, warehouses, and retail stores. The 125 to 150 lumens per watt is achieved by high-efficiency drivers running next-generation LEDs. The 100-degree wide beam optics produce an even distribution over large areas and provides high vertical foot candles. This is perfect for any high bay installation as it provides great visibility without a cave effect. Theta 2 can replace up to a 400 watt HPS system, saving as much as 250 watts per luminaire. This means you save up to $11,000 a year for a typical 100 luminaire installation. This rugged design is a low-profile, solid one-piece die-cast aluminum housing. The flow-through heatsink and the externally mounted driver provide thermal protection for each unit, ensuring long life and reliability. This allows Theta 2 to operate in ambient temperatures up to 60 degrees C. Each Theta 2 comes with an adjustable hub for center of gravity mounting with hook and a 10-foot cord. All Theta 2s are IP66 and DLC listed. Factory installed options include a motion sensor or a 7-pin receptacle for wireless control nodes. Theta 2 is a great product to meet all your high bay lighting needs.